goal with this activity is to really loosen up the trunk and the hips. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to start in a push-up position, so make sure you reach your arms long without crunching. Get here like so. Unlock the knees, though. That's going to be the only difference. You're going to reach long, get a subtle tuck of the hips, exhale. From here, you're going to inhale. You're going to reach long through the arms, and I'm going to be thinking about doing this through the pisiform bone, which is that wiggly bone right there on your wrist. So I'm going to inhale, keeping the knees bent. Push the hips back without sagging, like here. Exhale, back to the start. Rinse and repeat. Pushing through the arms, hips back. Exhale, back to the start. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.